Hi dear students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine at home. Today beta your computer class is there, so open your books. Now beta we will do reading of chapter 2 and the name of the chapter is parts of a computer. In this chapter we will discuss about main parts of a computer. Two boys are here. First is saying, hey, I know about the main parts of a computer. They are monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Monitor, keyboard, mouse, CPU are the main parts of computer. And the second one is good. The parts connected to the computer are also called devices. These parts of computer are also known as devices. Let me tell you more about these devices. Now I will tell you more about these devices. First is monitor. A monitor looks like a television screen. It shows what a computer is doing for us. Beta, a monitor looks like a television screen. All of you have seen television or LCD, LED. So monitor screen is look like that screen. It shows what a computer is doing for us. We can watch movies, cartoons, photos and read stories on the monitor. We can वॉच मतलब देखना, देख सकते हैं मूवीज़, कार्टून्स, फोटोज़ and we can read stories also on the monitor. The monitor shows whatever we do on the computer. monitor show करता है whatever we do on the computer, जो भी हम कंप्यूटर पे करते हैं that shows by monitor. The monitor has a power on off button. Here beta see one power on off button here. Pressing the power button switches on the monitor and pressing it again switches it off. When we press it, it switches on the monitor. When we press it again, it switches off the monitor. Next beta, the front part of monitor is called screen. All of you know front part like LCD, television have a screen. Monitor is also called visual display unit or VDU because monitor shows all the things we do on computer. So that's why हमें जो दिखाई देता है that is known as visual. मॉनिटर हमें सब कुछ शो करता है अपनी स्क्रीन पे. सो इसको दैट्स वाई मॉनिटर को हम क्या बोलते हैं, विजुअल डिस्प्ले यूनिट. विजुअल मतलब दिखाई देना, ऑडिबल मतलब सुनने योग्य, सुनने वाला, हमें जो सुनाई देता है, और विजुअल मतलब जो दिखाई देता है. कीबोर्ड, द स्मॉल बटन्स ऑन द कीबोर्ड आर कॉल्ड कीज. हेयर स्मॉल बटन्स आर हेयर, these are known as keys and each key has a letter, number or symbol written on it. By pressing these keys we can type any number, word, sentence, even we can type stories on monitor. Keyboard also helps us to give instructions to the computer. Keyboard helps us, ठीक है, to give instructions क्या होती है बेटा, that a teacher gives you before starting the exam and teacher gives you during the class. So these are known as instructions. Next is mouse. A mouse is used to point the icons or items on the monitor. Mouse, beta, on the screen you can see the mouse symbol and this is used to point or the icons or items on the monitor. It has two buttons, right left, and as scroll wheel इसको घुमा सकते हैं, ऐसे ऐसे घूमता है वो wheel. It helps us to draw pictures and play games on the computer and also move things on the monitor. A mouse helps us to select and open applications or programs on the monitor. With mouse we can select any program, any application on the monitor. Mouse helps us to give instructions to the computer. Again, mouse also help us to give instructions to the computer. Now next is CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. It is called the brain of the computer. CPU is known as the brain of the computer. It helps a computer to think and do different tasks that we want the computer to do. Beta, it helps a computer to think and do different tasks that we want the computer to do. हम चाहते हैं कंप्यूटर हमारे लिए करे कोई भी टास्क, तो उसको सोचने में और करने में कौन हेल्प करता है कंप्यूटर की? CPU. CPU also has a power on off button. See here is a power on off button. CPU is the most important part of the computer. Like our brain also help us to think and do different tasks, na? And that is important part of our body. So like that, CPU is the most important part of a computer. All the other parts of the computer are connected to the CPU through cables or wires. Beta, all the other parts of computer are connected with the CPU through cables or wires. Cables thick wires होती हैं. Also there is a power cable which connects the CPU to the main power supply. One more power cable जो इसको कनेक्ट करती है मेन पावर सप्लाई से CPU.